Hello friends, welcome to our Invita YouTube channel. I am Krishna Reddy and here we are in this basic English grammar classes course. So before looking at the third lecture and its topics, we need to review what we have learned in the second lecture. In the second lecture, we learned three things and they are: firstly, how can a sentence be formed? We learned in the second lecture. That is subject plus verb plus object. And we define individually these three elements. Subject is the one who does the action or work, and verb shows and represents action or work, and object is the one who receives the action or work. If you have any doubt, go to the second lecture and you would find better understanding about these three things. And secondly, we learned about what a noun is and gave a definition. A noun is a word which is the name of a person, thing, place or quality. While I was teaching what is a noun is, I said that whatever the thing is, whoever the person is, if they have names, that names can be considered as nouns. And we have also learned thirdly, types of nouns. In English language, we have two types of nouns. They are concrete nouns and abstract nouns. To concrete nouns, we gave a definition that if any object can be seen and touched, that can be considered as concrete noun. For example, pen, pencil, book, phone, these are the concrete nouns. We can touch them and see them. And while telling the abstract noun, I said that abstract noun is one which cannot be seen and touched. For example, wind, power, God, pen. These are the abstract nouns. We can't touch them and even see them also. So these are the three elements we have learnt in the second lecture. So let us look at what we have in the third lecture. In the third lecture, we are going to learn about different types of concrete nouns. Those are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun. And we will also learn about countable and uncountable nouns. And lastly, we will learn that nouns and its numbers. In English language, we have two different nouns. Those are singular noun and plural noun. So the three elements will be learned in the third lecture. The third lecture, we will begin with different types of concrete nouns. Different types of concrete nouns. Firstly, we will learn about proper noun. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing, and the names of days, months, rivers, seas and oceans, mountains and languages and islands and so on. If anything, if it has particular name, that name can be considered as proper noun. So before look at the proper noun further, we need to note one thing, that proper nouns begin with a capital letter. It must be, any proper noun must begin with a capital letter. So let's see few examples about proper nouns. Krishna. Here Krishna is a boy and he has a particular name, Krishna. So Krishna is the proper noun. So the first letter must be in Krishna be capital. And Vishakhapatnam, Adi, Sunday, January, Ganga, Pacific Ocean, Telugu, English Everest. These all are the names of particular things. So if anything has particular name, that particular name can be considered as proper noun. So let's move to the what is a common noun. A common noun is the name of a person or a thing in general. For example, boy, girl, woman, man, village, city, country, table, chair, book, doctor, student, teacher, flower, cow, tree, and so on. These all are the names in general, and they have particular names also. So let's see the difference between common noun and proper noun. Common noun: boy, girl, city, country, and their particular names. For boy we may call Krishna, girl Radha, city, for city we will call Vijay, and for country India. So common noun is the one which is common to some particular people, and proper noun is the one which particular noun of particular person. So if you see this picture, we will easily can get what is a common noun and what is proper noun. Let's see. Here, this is the general, a boy, and has one particular name, that is Gopal. So boy is the general name and he has a particular name, Gopal. So general name can be called as common noun and a particular name can be called as Gopal. This is the difference between common noun and proper noun. Let us go for the third type in concrete nouns. The third type is collective noun. Let us define what is a collective noun here. A collective noun is a group name of either people, animals, birds, or things. If we see few examples on collective noun, we would get easily what is a collective noun here. Now, gang, crowd, team, family, committee, bunch, union, fleet, flag, herd, and baby. These all are the names of particular group. Let's see further examples also. A group of people is called as crowd, and a group of players is called as team, and a group of soldiers can be called as army, and a group of cows can be called herd, and a group of rowdies we can call gang, and a group of girls can be called as baby. If you see this picture, you could find group of soldiers. That group of soldiers has another name, army. By hearing the word army, you can imagine that there are some group of soldiers over there. So here army represents the whole number of soldiers. Then the word army is the collective noun here. Likewise, the second picture also you can see a team. By hearing the word team, you could imagine there are group of players over there in a team. So army and team are collective nouns because they represents a group of people. So this is what collective noun is. So let us move to the fourth type in concrete nouns. The fourth type we have is material noun. So let us define what is a material noun we have here. A material noun is the name of some matter or substance. Before going to discuss further about material noun, we need to discuss about a rule in material noun. That rule is no article is used an, a and the before material nouns. So let's see few examples on material noun. Gold, silver, copper, iron, lead, glass, wood, wool, cotton, clay. These all are the examples for the material noun. Gold is a precious metal. Silver is a bright metal. Iron is a useful metal. These doors are made of wood. If you observe, as I said before, no article is used before the material nouns. I haven't used any article before the material nouns. And if you see these pictures, these are the example for the material noun: gold, silver, iron. Let us see what are the countable and uncountable nouns in English language. Firstly, we get it done what is a countable noun here is. Countable nouns are the names of objects, people that can be counted with the numbers. For example, book, pen, boy, apple, doctor, horse, computer, door, house, dog, table, tree. These all are the examples for the countable noun. We can count all these examples with the numbers. So let us see next noun, that is uncountable noun. You know, uncountable nouns are the names of things that cannot be counted with the numbers. For example, milk, oil, sugar, gold, water, sand, salt, rice, honey. These all are the examples for uncountable noun. Why? Because we can't count milk, oil, sugar, gold and rest of the things also, because they are impossible to count with the numbers. Let us take milk as example here in uncountable noun. Milk cannot be counted because we can't count how many drops of milk in a bottle, because it is impossible to count milk in drops. And likewise oil also, and sugar, gold, water, sand, salt, rice, honey. These all are the uncountable nouns. We can't count with the numbers because it is impossible to count. Can we count how much of sand in the seashore? It is absolutely impossible. So uncountable nouns are the ones which cannot be counted with the numbers. So let us move to the nouns. There are two numbers in English language. They are singular number or noun, and secondly plural number or noun. Firstly, we will get it done what is a singular noun is, and we can also call it singular number also. And a singular number or noun shows only one person or one thing. Before going to look at few examples on singular noun, we need to keep one thing as note. That is, after singular nouns, only singular verbs will come, like am, is, was, has. I will speak you more about verbs in another lecture. Firstly, we would see what are examples for singular noun here is. A boy, a girl, a dog, a pen, an apple, a tree. These all are the only speak about one thing. A boy here means one boy, a girl, one girl, a dog, one dog, a pen, one pen. These all are the only one elements, one things. So singular noun speaks about only one thing. And let us move to the what is a plural noun here is. Plural noun is also can be called as plural number. A plural number or noun shows more than one person or thing. And as we noted in singular noun, here also we have one note. That is, after plural nouns, only plural verbs will come, like are, were, have. Let us see few examples on plural noun. They are boys, girls, dogs, pens, apples, trees and so on. If you see boys, here we are not talking about only one boy but more than one. Either may two boys or more than two. So the plural noun is one which shows more than one thing or one person. So let us go for the exercise on this third lecture. The exercise is find out the following nouns of which type of noun category they belong to. Morally, man, teacher, army, team, silver, sugar, water, a pen, a school, teachers, students. Take a pause and give right answers for these nouns, which category of noun they belong to. Take a pause and give correct answers. So here are the correct answers for those nouns. First, Murli is the proper noun because Murli is the particular name of particular person. And second, man. Man is the common name because it is common to all male ones. And thirdly, teacher. Teacher is the common noun for the all teachers. And army is the collective noun because it represents the group of soldiers. And team is also collective noun because it represents the a group of players. And silver is the material noun because silver is the matter and substance. And sugar is an uncountable noun because we can't count how much sugar we have. And water is also an uncountable noun because we can't count how many drops of water in a bottle. And a pen is a singular noun and countable noun because we are talking about only one pen, and that one pen can be counted with the numbers. So a pen is the singular noun and countable noun. And a school is also singular noun and countable noun because we can count how many schools in our village, and also we are speaking about only one school. So a school is the singular noun and countable noun. And teachers are plural noun and countable noun because we can count how many teachers in our school. And teachers, we are talking about more than one teacher, so it comes under the category plural noun. And students is also plural noun because we are talking about more than one students, and it is countable noun because we can count how many students in our school. So on the fourth lecture, noun and case will be discussed. Thank you. Please do subscribe, share, like, and comment to Ingvita YouTube channel.